Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add contact us form in Canva into your website. And let's be honest, if someone wants to reach out to you, a working contact form is super important, whether it is for business inquiries, customer feedback, or just friendly hello. Having a contact form adds that extra touch for professionalism. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add that completely free way to add a working contact us form to any Canva website, and yes, it will look clean, modern, and much match your site design. Let's dive in. First of all, you have to prepare your Canva website. First thing first, open a Canva website. First thing, you have to log in into your Canva account. After logging in, you will get to see this kind of interface. Now, right now, for example, right now I don't build any website in Canva, so what I will do is just simply I will search for template and use it, this one. And now I have choose the website. Now I have to add one more page. Oh, okay, I have already did that. To contact us page, I have to add a section. I will change the color to make a little bit different from the upper page, the black. I will choose black one. Now it make visually appealing, and I'm going to change the more things. Now you have let's create the contact form. All right, Canva doesn't give us native form functionality, so here's the working round. We are going to use a free tool called jot form, and it is fast, flexible, and integrates really well into different website. Now open a new tab, search for jot form, and sign up using your Google account. Just simply click on the first link as you can see here and click on the sign up with the Google. If you want to sign up with the Microsoft, you can do that too. Just give the permission necessary which they ask. Just continue, and I agree on privacy policy terms. Now sign once you are in, click on a create form and you will see a few options. Just simply click on this create, and you will get to see this four option, which is AI agent application. We need form, so we will just simply click on the form. Now I will use templates to make things easier. I don't want to make from scratch. So for example, let me search for the good option. Oh, this one looks good for me, for my requirement. What I will do, I will just simply click on the use template. Now for this tutorial, I'm selecting this template, nice and minimal. You can now customize everything from here. If you want to remove the student ID, you can do that by just clicking on the section, and you will get to see this remove option from there. Now if there is any and if there is an image or background you don't like, just head to the style tab and delete it. Now use the classic layout for traditional looking form. It is easier to embed in Canva than card version. So let's once you are happy with how your form looks, go to public or publish option over here. As you can see here, section on the jet form, simply click over here and click on the copy link. That's your magic link to the live form. We will now embed this into your Canva website. Now let's go into back in Canva. Go to your website which we have created earlier using a template. Now scroll down a little bit where we created this section, blank section. Now what I will do, just I will add a title or contact text. I will change the color so I can see the spelling contact us. So now you have to double click on this text First, you have to resize or reposition it in better way. Just put it over here, just double click on the text. You will get to see this link option. Click on the link and paste it over here where which you have copied. Just simply click on the done. Now link has been added. Now display mode will be embedded, so simply click on embed. So it will be showing your form. So as you can here see, the form is well, now your contact form looks like it is a part of your website. So let's preview everything. So just what you have to do is just resize it. I will just resize it and put it over here. You can change the color regarding your page. This is what I did. This is just for tutorial. You can give a little time to make more eye-catching. Now it's time to preview a website in Canva and scroll to your contact form section. Make sure the form is loads properly, all fields are visible, the submit button is working. Now just simply click on the preview. So scroll down a little bit and there we go. All the things are working properly, and as you can see, a student email ID, it gives the validation, so it's working properly. Now once someone submit a message through your form, here is how you find it. Go back to your jet form, and from there you have to open your contact us form, which is this, and click on the inbox. Now after coming on the dashboard, which you have chosen the template, you will get to see this option, and from here you have to choose inbox. Whenever someone add details related to, or whenever someone uh, add some detail into our form which is on the Canva, the message will appear over here. You can turn on email notification, the setting, if you want to get notified instantly when someone is reached out you. So you have now added a fully functional contact us form to your Canva website without writing a single line of code. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and drop the comment. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comment box. I will answer it. So thanks for watching.